anybody guess where we are? I'll give you a little longer hint and then I'll introduce myself. And I can tell you where we are though. This should sell it out.
Welcome back to my channel. I'm Victoria Palcha and it is after 3 on a working day, a weekday, but you gotta live your best life. We're on our way to a beach. We'll tell you which one when we reach, but thanks for joining me. If you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe. Don't forget to press the notification bell so you know every time I post. Yeah, we stopped for look there and we look everywhere. I can read it. Anyway, sorry.
Oh my gosh. Wow.
On our reels, who else thinks this gay shift look like a middle finger? Tell me this is looking like a middle finger. We stopped for doubles in where we?
I think that's before Solibia.
This before Solibia, right before Solibia. So we gonna get tonight 4 doubles day, 2 with Chadabeni and 2 with Sweet Plus. Is the damn rude look at the phone.
Mommy has been buying doubles.
It's 26, 24, give me 26, Jeff. Terrible. 20. Yeah, mommy, everything. 26. You want, because you say 6. Which other band? Like button. Change the guitar. Fly in the car. Move. Oh God, all you know, doubles just smell like fat, right? We tried to tell them without telling them what we put off so you can tell me, they're freaking fly in the car. Yeah, right. Shit, man, I know, because the windows up, the car smelling like ass puffs, boiled egg, right? Hey, you're not seeing the dick again. I mean, the gas dick again, so. That's I can read before.
Subscribe.
My fat child has now stopped for ooh, the doubles are so nice, now my back hot. My fat child stopped for Pillory now. Come on, I want the Pillory before the doubles 10. I don't want no man to love me up there. Especially talking for me. And she stopped. I know, see, she stopped as we stop out and go some water. This is what I did. I'm going to try and find the next waterfall. All who know me, yeah, the man staring no more ass. Of course, at least glimpse now. Yeah, all who know me now has come with my bottle with my own pipe water, which I rather than bottled water buy. And I have it frozen, so it's frozen, but I have a little drip of water. And we reach back with the Pillory. Yes, we buy Balanja. Balanjos. Yes, my baby and I are going to take a quick trip. Don't study we have on wig. You'll see what we look like after on lashes. Because I'm not this individual lashes that we have on lash strips. So you will see the little monsters in it. Out of foil. Right? Balanjo. We'll show you when you reach closer. You know what I like about this phone? It doesn't mistakenly phone flash the bird. Yeah, and pay attention when you're on in it, but went straight to section. Oh God, yes. Nah, yeah. Good day, good day. Good day. Nah, it's high, it's high. I want to go on the other side. Yeah.
No, I want to go a little lower down.
Go past them branches.
A little bit. Alright, you want to? Oh God, alright. Alright. The people from my first skin and have my face for the sun. Busting. The sun busting. I'm trying to get a nice view because the ground now, you know, clean the ground must be. Busting. Boston. See, nice. Oh, I ain't showing my kids just now. If the phone has somewhere to prop up, I'll show you better, but... See, baby? I'm nearly ready to go inside there. I was taking pics for baby Instagram. Water nice. Hot, everybody done stay out with skin. So we going inside it just now. Water look nice, but I don't know. We go see. I don't know how you're gonna see. I don't know how, because I'm not carrying this iPhone any water. I'm telling you, no. So I don't know how you're gonna see me playing the ass. Finally, I'm gonna touch the water. So I'm watching my flat dancing.
That I made that drop. Mommy, I'm going to fall down with the 2 iPhone, yeah?
Yes, I know my water running down Burgundy. I know that's my hair dye. That's my hair dye running out, but I had the best time. Stop watching my lash come out in the water and stick down on my face. I couldn't open my eyes. So I had to take it out.
Go back inside, she yes.
Bibi wants to go back inside.
Look my way.
Yes, Bibi. But we had a great time. I didn't even leave my brows still on because I can't see in the glare. But we fully wet.
Yeah, it's
It's nice. Water running out.
Good boy.
Yeah, this hair glue good.
It got to be blue, I think we use.
And my burgundy water.
Makeup running.
You should have come with me to study how the makeup looking. You would not study it too and you see how nice the water was. And we have some doubles there still to mash up. We eat the pylori already, but we're going to relax, eat some doubles, drink some water. And we don't know how things will go if we go back in again. Okay, man, here we go. Are you well? Looking any better? I can't even tell.
I think when mommy will coming back.
Taking a quick little small walk. Hopefully the wig will dry a bit. Lord Father, I want to cook. When it wetness, you hold the glue wrap out. I just taking a little walk on the beach. I let run. God, sorry, the people man. Still there and I will running towards the people man. When the people going, that look bad. We are trying to dry the wig. The beach is nice. It's nice.
I don't really get it cold so because I use plenty bush tea. I always eating some grass in the yard, malome, shining bush. Some kind of chippiness one that it will always in my mouth, so I do get sick, right? But
yesterday I started to feel real oogie when I woke up, like a real phlegm in my throat. I had to keep blowing and like nothing, you know, because I took some of my medicinal concoction here as well, make up nice medicine and take with my babu and tea and my orange peel and my garlic and my orange what God was saying, my onion skin and all kind of little things. I can't tell you all. One that you will. I can't tell you all, man. Cinnamon, I can't tell you all. Turmeric and saffron. But as boil up my concoction, and when I boil up nice, I set some in some punching, and then I set some in a bottle at the side. So I took some and it bring up all my phlegm. Yeah, I do really take medicine for cold and things. Ancestry, for the devotee. Yeah. So, yeah, this called me witch. But it's just bush are dealing with, you know, bush and healing natural way by his witch. But anyway.
Subscribe.
Messed up my shit. I took it and it started bring up a cool. And I could not go to school yesterday and today without because every second that choking and the phlegm had to be blowing my nose. That is so disgusting. And I kind of far from the bathroom and you all say bye-bye. Certain people could bathe in the beach and look perfect. I watch. You know. Watch them. Bathe in the beach and look perfect. Say bye-bye, you all. And, yeah, I know how you're feeling. I just feel so too after I bathe with you. Bye-bye. We heading for gas now. We too mad ass come up here with no gas. The thing's practically packed. I ain't looking like so much like a washout fall. Like a wet fall. A little bit. A little greasy. Go study that. We're going for gas now in Kumana. So I might be able to show you some of the way on the gas station or whatever, right? We go park up somewhere nice. Somewhere nice, me and we go park up. And we go eat with doubles. Because here, yeah, we go eat with doubles. somewhere nice and romantic. We can belch and pokes hard and nobody can go watch me and judge you. You hear me? Judge you? So watch in my nose. And yeah, ask not in my nose. I tell you, I have plenty of phlegm. I don't know, I can't see, I don't have on my glasses. I'll check you back. After drinking out almost half the ocean, I had to quench it to balance it now. Salt had to balance with the sweet. So I just drinking a little water here before I start the trek back out behind Brianna. You know, she fussing with me to hurry up. So let me go now. Children. Alright, so let's see a little bit of the workout. Tide going low. Oh, tide going low, yes? Tide going down, it's low tide now. Beautiful day. Worth the drive, worth the no gas and the bumpy tight right now. The gas went down fast these days, but worth the day. I'm to pull off here, looking with again. It's an adult show, I hope all you know. Adult show. We're looking to pull off and it kind of starting to get packed, so Brianna leaving in good time. And I tell you, good time.
Perfect time.
Perfect time. We can do what we want. Take pictures, skin out. Yes, it was wonderful. So we're going and eat something now. Apple already finished long time. Yeah, I jump up long time. We'll see when we reach some nice zone again where we stop to eat and change. We still have wet clothes, so we'll change somewhere else. Well, you're going inside the trunk. It have a bucket and a bottle of water. You know, you must have a little bottle of water. You know, and I just sleep all about. Maybe to swish out with mouth. But if you hear noise and every time we stop, the bottle and the bucket slamming up and it's very uncomfortable. So we're going to take out, oh God, that's small. We're taking out the two of them and put them in the back of the car. Because I ain't able with this satakataka badagabam. No. Too old for that. Oh God. I'm too old for this. So I put it in the car. Somehow. In my bag there. Right, and jam my bag to keep him there. I'll show you. That's the perpetrator them. I jam him up there. I eating the head salty. And off we go again. Safety first. And flies out the car after. Come out. Right. We stop by a nice little spot here. Close to Seaview Haven. To make a quick TikTok about it and baby to make a TikTok for me.
No, say no.
What is that?
She could have.
Oh my gosh. I can't believe 110 times I beg and see. I mean, I wouldn't need the doubles in the road. I better train than that. I just making the TikTok and come. We now take the TikTok here from the nice app. She now make the TikTok here from me. We stop by a little country shop here. By Tompier, close to Tompier. Yeah, because I don't normally drink sweet drink. I only drink water. Everybody who know me knows I drink water. I don't drink juice, nothing like baby and yeah, but a real tasty. And for something sweet, like I get real suck out with sea water, I drink too much salt. I have to balance it out. Here am I speaking? I have to balance it out. Subscribe. Stop watching and looking. And what else to balance it out? Sweet. She get thanks Lava. She got cream soda. Solo. Yeah, cheating, huh? I want to show you something pretty. One of my favorite spots on this stretch. Oreo, Shuno. Look how beautiful. Oh, fresh sweet water. Without water, there's no life. Period. Tompier. I try all how to prop up the phone. I remember next training and the same flowers doing all how because things just in the way. But we stopped to eat with doubles. I'm gonna put some of Brianna pylori sauce inside my doubles for it to taste a little better. I never say it tastes bad. I just want that sauce tastes real good. So I don't want to waste nothing. You might not eager for you to see my face looking like this, but you study you. We now getting suits. Looking wash up with the sauce and coming out. I'm not gonna make too much mess, too much drama. The plan failed. I just gonna eat. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate you all. A little sneak peek at the little behind the scenes. You don't know what time it is by you are rushing. So good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Don't forget to press the notification bell.